Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually generate tons of email addresses for email marketing, okay? It's not actually restricted to email marketing. You can actually use the emails that I'll be showing you how to generate for whichever kind of services you want to use them for, okay? But one thing is this, I'm going to be showing you this practical step by step on how you can actually generate those email addresses for absolutely free, okay? And I'm also going to show you another method how you can generate email addresses, premium email addresses for absolutely free also. Now, these email addresses are going to come with the prospect's name and the email addresses, okay? So I'm not going to waste much of your time on this video. So let's get to my system right away. Let me show you the step-by-step guide on how you can generate those tons of email addresses from your prospect, okay? Let's get started. Guys, if you check here now, you see I have tons of email addresses here. You can see this is just page 1. You can see page 2, 3, 4. Scroll on. I have a whole lot of email addresses here where I actually send emails to. These are emails that are actually generated through this process I'm going to be showing you in this video, okay? I told you earlier that I'll also be showing you how you can get premium email addresses, okay? If you come down here and you look at those email addresses here, okay? If you look here, you can see this particular one, Ramana Pinam, okay? You can see his email address. If I want his phone number, I'm going to click on this find phone number here, okay? And his phone number is going to come out. You can see all this. You can see all those ones over here. These are all email addresses that you can actually generate and use for your email campaign, okay? This is actually a paid email software, email generating software, but I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use it for free also, okay? So that being said, let's go to my Google, okay? Now just go to www.google.com. Then you're going to go to your search bar here. Then let's assume you want to look for email addresses of either lawyers, it could be doctors, it could be people you want to promote a particular product to, okay? Just think about the kind of people you want to reach, okay? Then you're going to generate email addresses that are tailored to this set of people, okay? So on your Google search box, all you just need to do here is just to come down here and you're going to put a bracket here. Okay, on that bracket, on that bracket, you're going to put, if it is, let's assume you want to get doctors, you're going to put doctors here, or you're going to just put doctor. Then you're going to close that bracket, okay? Now, when you close that bracket, you give a space, okay? Now, you're going to think of which state or which country do you want this targeted audience of doctors. Let's assume you want to get email addresses of doctors in New York, United States of America. You're going to put New York here. You're going to put New York here, okay? It could be, or you can decide to just put United States, right? You can decide to just say United States, okay? United States. Then you're going to give it a space, right? After giving it a space, then you're going to put a quotation mark here, okay? You're going to put a quotation mark, then you're going to put, let's assume you want to get email addresses of Gmail, okay? That is at gmail.com. So you're going to put something like this, say at gmail.com, okay? Then you're going to close that quotation mark, right? Let's assume you also want for yahoo.com as well. You can give a space and you're going to put another quotation mark, right? You're going to put another quotation mark here, and then you're going to put at yahoo.com, okay? And you're going to close that quotation mark. Okay, so after doing this, what you're going to be getting basically is you're going to get email addresses of doctors from United States, okay? that has something to do with at gmail.com and at yahoo.com. Okay. If you feel you just need only email addresses of gmail.com, then you don't need to put this yahoo.com. But for the purpose of this tutorial, that is why I'm using this. Okay. So what you're going to do next is you're going to click on enter. Okay. So when you click on enter, Google is going to help you to search email addresses of doctors in United States. Okay, like I rightly said, I'm just using United States. You can decide to tailor it down to either New York, New Jersey, Chicago, whichever states that you want to tailor it down to. Okay, so if you come down here now, you get to see, you can see these email addresses, correcting@gmail.com. Okay, you can see Dr. Ismaikuli Hawa@gmail.com. Okay, you can see these other email addresses. If you scroll down, you're going to be seeing different email addresses, right? You can see different email addresses, right? So that is how you're going to get tons of email addresses, right? You can see all these are email addresses. You can see this is just page 1. We have up to page 10 and 11 and so forth. Okay, so all you just need to do now for you to get this email, because it will be very cumbersome for you to begin to copy those email addresses one after the other. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you a system that you're going to use to extract all those email addresses, okay, for your email marketing. If I come up here to my bar here, you're going to see this envelope form. If I click on it, let me click on it. Let me show you. You can see I just clicked on it and it helped me to extract all those email addresses. All those email addresses you see on this page 1 is being extracted by this software. So you can see those email addresses here now. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can actually get this software installed on your desktop as well. Okay, because this software will actually help you to cut the time you will use in copying those email addresses one after the other. Okay, let me even quickly show you how you can get that software. Okay, you just go to Chrome Play Store. Okay, just go to Chrome extension. Okay, on your browser, just click on these 3 dots on the top right side of your system. You see these 3 dots? I just clicked on it. Then you just click on this More Tools. You can see More Tools. Then come down to Extensions. Click on the extensions. Okay, when you click on the extensions, it's going to load and it's going to bring you to this interface. All you need to do is to click on these 3 dots here. Then you're going to see Chrome Web Store down here. You can see Chrome Web Store down here. Click on this Chrome Web Store. When you click on that Chrome Web Store, it's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store proper. Okay, on this Chrome Web Store, you just need to type in Email Drop because the name of the software is called Email Drop, right? So let me quickly type it so that I will show you. It's Email Drop, right? The first one, just click on this first one. This is it, okay? You can see Email Drop. This is the software up here that I use to extract those email addresses from that search, right? So just go ahead and click on it. I'm not going to be doing it again because I have it already installed on my desktop, on my laptop. So you can see it up here, okay? Just get this extracted. So if you get it extracted and you get to this system like this, after you go through this process I showed you and you click on it, okay, it's going to help you to extract all the email addresses, okay? So by following this particular process, you'll be able to extract tons of email addresses for your email marketing, okay? All you just need to do is to tailor it down to whichever country, state, profession, okay, that you want to target, okay? Your search should be based on your targeted audience, right? Now, let me go to that, to the other part where I showed you how I told you I will be showing you how you can get premium email addresses and also with the names of your prospect, okay? Because you and I know that in email marketing, for you to actually get targeted audience that will respond to you, you should be able to get their names so that when you're talking to them, it seems as if these are people you actually know one-on-one, or these are people that opted into your email list, right? So like I already told you, this Contact Us is actually a paid email service provider that helps you to get email addresses and phone number of your prospect, okay? Like if I click on this now, you can see I have the email addresses here already, but if I click on the find phone number, it can also give me their phone numbers, right? Now, for you to actually use this service, you can see here is a paid premium project. You can see $29 here every month. You can see $99, but you can use this particular software to get up to 40 email addresses every month. Now, these 40 email addresses you'll be able to get using it for absolutely free. You'll be able to get over 500 email addresses every year if you keep doing this 40 email every month without you paying a dime for it, right? Okay, so what you just need to do is this. You can come, I'm going to be dropping the link actually in the description of the video. The first link in the description of the video is going to be the link to contact us. Okay, this is not it's not an affiliate link, because the project does not even have an affiliate program, so it's not an affiliate link. I've used this over the months. I've been using it for the past 5 months. I've used it to generate a whole lot of premium email addresses also that comes with the prospect phone number and the prospect name. So you can also use this 40 email every month. But if you decide to go ahead and subscribe for the $20 every month, is still to your own advantage. Okay, so these are the easiest way for you to actually generate email addresses that you can use to prospect your audience. Okay, so just go through the video from the beginning and make sure you understand everything that I said in the video. And if there's any part of the video that you don't really understand, you can actually ask me in the comment section. Okay, go ahead and ask me in the comment section. Now, in the comment section, in the description of the video, you're going to find the link to my Telegram group over there. Okay, so you can go ahead and join the Telegram group as well, and you can go ahead and also ask me any question concerning anything you need clarity about. Okay, I want to believe you actually got value from this video, and if you got value from this video, go ahead and like the video. Okay, and also if you've not subscribed to the channel before now, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.